guys! Welcome to today's video where I will give you guys a tour of the Tokyo Disneyland hotel and our room. It's such a beautiful hotel that I feel it was a mixture of the Grand Floridian and the Boardwalk Hotel over at the Walt Disney World in Florida. We got pretty lucky that we went during their 40th anniversary, that they had all these colorful and cute decorations as well as merchandise that I will show you in a few. Also, look at how cute this dollhouse is, and you can actually look at the rooms from behind with princesses such as Ariel and Snow White. In the lobby, you can also find the Dreamers Lounge, which since we booked our stay with a vacation package, it included breakfast buffet here every day. Look at this beautiful view. Unfortunately, no Mickey waffles here, but they had a lot of other delicious food items that I completely forgot to record, but even some were Mickey shaped. Another cool thing about the fact that we booked a vacation package was that once we checked in at the front desk, we were taken to a private lounge where they completed our check-in process, they gave us our theme park tickets, and you could come at any time to get snacks and drinks as well as happy hour. I think it was around 5 p.m. So this is an example of our tickets, and in the lobby they also had a convenience store that had some of the traditional snacks and sandwiches that you can find in other Japanese convenience stores, which was awesome. And then right across this beautiful staircase is the backside, I guess you could call, of the hotel that had a store filled with 40th anniversary merchandise, really big princess dresses, which I will show you in a few, that my sister could have easily fit into, and we were so close to buying for ourselves, and also the Bibbidi Bobbidi boutique right next door. Here are set dresses, and I feel like you might not be able to see the full scale of how big they were, but I was shocked. I've never seen such big dresses in Walt Disney World, which it sounds weird saying that they're big, but they just look like for adults, which is crazy. I would also love for the states to normalize something called the omiyage, I hope I'm saying it right, which are basically these gifts and souvenirs that you can bring back for family members. We brought back so many of these, none for ourselves, but they're such a great souvenir to bring back. Oh, and as part of our vacation package, we got this drink ticket and ticket holder so we could get free drinks in certain spots inside of the parks. I know I said the hotel reminds me of the Grand Floridian and the Boardwalk, but the outside reminds me so much of the Riviera Resort, which I also love. One of the best parts of this hotel is that you're right in front of the monorail station that can take you to Tokyo DisneySea, or instead you could go literally right underneath and straight into Tokyo Disneyland. Now back to the hotel room tour aspect. So we stayed at the Superior Alcove Room Park View, which I'll show you at the end. In this cute Beauty and the Beast themed armoire, you can find some pajamas, and you can also find in the closet nearby a pair of slippers and bathrobes, which, if you know me, I'm a sucker for. Of course, we also have our tea section with a teapot, cups, and teas, as well as a mini fridge. Unfortunately, this area is cluttered with our luggage, but I loved sitting here every morning and doing my makeup. Wait until you see all the toiletries you get in the bathroom, ranging from skincare, bath salts, toothbrush kits, amenity kit, and even a cute plastic cup. I mean, honestly, the amenities we've gotten during our hotel stays here in Japan are incomparable, especially since we're used to getting basically nothing at the hotels in Disney World. Of course, the one and only bidet toilet called Toto Toilet in its own private room. As well as the dual bathtub and shower next to each other in their own private room. Last but not least, this is the park view from our room, which is breathtaking. The best thing is the fact that you can somewhat open up the window and you can hear the park music playing. So I sat there a couple of times during our stay just to enjoy the ambiance. You literally felt like you were inside the park without having to be inside of the park. In addition to all the other things that you get in your room, you get these 40th anniversary postcards and also reusable bags. We had such a wonderful stay here, and I spent a couple of minutes every evening looking out this amazing view. And that is it for today's video. Make sure to stick around for next week's video of our time at the Tokyo DisneySea theme park. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!